Hello friends, my name is Siddharth Joshi, Assistant Professor LJ Institute of Physiotherapy, Ahmedabad. Today's our topic is psoriasis. It is very important topic for final year because it is frequently asked question for 8 marks in all the universities. So, psoriasis is very important for final year. Plus, sometimes it may ask in MPT rehabilitation paper also. So, for it is MPT students also, it is very important. After that, if you are clinical practice, this is very important because anytime you can come across this kind of patient. So, that time your knowledge will helpful you to treat the patient. So let's start today's topic psoriasis without wasting the time. Psoriasis. It is a non-contagious chronic immune mediated inflammatory disease of the skin characterized by clearly defined dry rounded red patches with silvery scale on the surface. This silvery scale is very important clinical feature because 90% doctors diagnose with this clinical feature that is called silvery scale on the surface. It occurs when the immune system sends our faulty signals that speed up the growth cycle of the skin cell. Etiology: age 15 to 30 years, gender both sexes are equally affected. Climate: the condition is worse in damp and cold climate. It is mostly seen in UK side. Predisposing factors: it may be heredity, it may be infection, it may be trauma, it may be anxiety, it may be drugs, it may be diabetes, it may be arthropathy. So these all are the predisposing factors of psoriasis. Pathological changes. Epidermis. Increased reproduction in the stratum geminotium. The stratum spinsum is thicker due to an increased number of cells called edema. The stratum liquidum and corneum are replaced by several layers of nucleated, incompletely keratinized soft cells. Dermis. The capillaries are dilated with increased blood flow. The papillae are elongated and there are changes of inflammation. Clinical features. First one is very important. Sharp defined red and pink areas are termed as plaques. Scales look silvery due to light reflecting from the swollen stratum spinosum. Distribution. Elbows, knees, scalp and sacrum are covered. Plaque of varying size appears anywhere on the body. Nail become pitted or separated from the nail bed. Skin contact areas can be badly affected between fingers, axilla, groin, between toes, under breast and behind the ears. The face is rarely affected. Classification. Gutte psoriasis, inverse psoriasis, pustular psoriasis, erythrodermic psoriasis, scalp psoriasis and nail psoriasis. Treatment. General treatment, topical management, systemic applications, physiotherapy management. General management. Any anxiety or worry should be identified and the patient encouraged to relax. Reassurance that it is not infectious or disfiguring must be given to the patient and family. Dieting may be tried if there appears to be any allergy factors. Topical management means you are supposed to apply something. Simple blend Aqueous cream. Coal tar application with salicylic acid and zinc oxide in soft paraffin may be used. The ointment is applied every day to the whole body except face and scalp. Diarthronal lasers paste is used for resistant psoriasis. Corticosteroid cream produces good result at first, but when treatment stops, the disease can return worse than before. Systemic applications. Retinoid, a variant of vitamin A taken in tablet form, produces marked improvement. Cytotoxic drugs such as methotrexate are sometimes used in severe cases. Cyclosporine also may be useful in severe cases. Physiotherapy management. Physiotherapy management we will understand in next video because it is very important and powerful to give physiotherapy treatment. There are some treatment like Therakitin tunnel, PUA therapy, psoriasis can be and UVR, so many treatments. But in medical management and for psychological management, you are more concentrate to decrease anxiety. When anxiety decreases, automatically the case will cure. You should give a proper counseling to patient that it will be relieved very soon. In next video we will see physiotherapy management very deeply.